Curious to know if the universe has your back? It might not, but the life-saving gadgets in this video definitely do. Subscribe and hit the bell to discover even more game changers. Dealing with a fire in an electric car. The Bridgehill Car Fire Blanket is the solution. It handles electric car fires and for regular cars. Quickly contains flame, smoke, and toxic fumes. Extinguishing the fire in minutes. Stay prepared. This chopper's got a 790-gallon water tank and can land on tiny ships and drilling rigs. It's a firefighting superhero, ready to tackle blazes wherever they pop up. Introducing Project Cumulus, groundbreaking technology that extracts moisture from the air and converts it into clean drinking water. On-site, no extra filtration needed. Just pure hydration in the fight against water scarcity. You won't believe it, but this device turns seawater into fresh drinking water on its own. Using solar distillation, the sphere heats up, trapping impurities on top, while pure water flows down its sides. The Vettery Vehicle Isolation System is next level. It keeps electric and hybrid vehicles cool to prevent any chance of reignition, making transport and storage a total breeze. See how Viking blends the best of lifeboats and life rafts into one awesome solution, packing up to 4 leaf crafts, each fitting 200 people. You're in for the surprise. This bracelet mixes style with survival with a knife. Fire starter whistle, compass, and 550-pound paracord. If the Titanic had these network tubes, pulling everyone together with built-in GPS robot modules and magnets, the story would have been entirely different. Good thing we have these now. Words can't capture the sheer scale of destruction, from earthquakes, tornadoes, and hurricanes. But with the First Look 360 wireless spherical camera, rescuers get a 360-degree upgrade, making them a whole lot safer. Hold on tight. This tech-savvy Noah's Ark holds 2,866 pounds, about 20 people, and won't tip over no matter what. It's your ultimate shield against tsunamis and floods. I'm seriously impressed by these ready-made barricades. A multi-cellular wall system that unfolds like an accordion and fills up fast. Give it 30 minutes. And good luck trying to break through. Surrounded by waves, aid workers might miss you, but they'll see your SOS standby, your lifeline in the chaos. When a fire strikes in an open-cut mine, Ingstrom escape chutes have you out in seconds. Just make sure to guide yourself carefully with your hands and feet. Be amazed by the water camping concept. These devices are a huge step forward against tsunamis and floods, boosting survival chances. The weight keeps them steady and stable in rough waters. Just wait for the storm to pass. Next up is a must-have for keeping loved ones safe and active. The Guardian Air Vest deploys an airbag in 0.8 seconds if you fall, and includes an app for tracking routes, steps, and galleries. Get ready for the premier shark deterrent that's hitting the waves. Powerful magnets in sleek tubes are here to keep sharks away. Surfing just got a whole lot safer. Introducing Ampla, the Ultra Slim, one-handed fire extinguisher that fits anywhere and springs into action when needed. Compact, sleek, and ready to save the day. Discover the Mark III Watson Edition, a fire pump redesigned for challenging wilderness. With its robust stroke engine and custom design, It delivers top performance in the harshest conditions. Prepare for some serious spy vibes. The SchumerTech Flaws Escape Kit is your supreme tool for breaking free and cutting locks like a pro. Drop a like if you're into it. Imagine this: the Icarus Line Throbber. Fires a rope as far as the world's biggest metro station is long. 1,148 feet turning complex. Ship to shore rescues into a walk in the park. Even after 10 minutes. In the icy 50-degree Fahrenheit
If
water.
you're
wearing the Flayton Rescue System suit, your body temperature will only decrease by 0.7 degrees, keeping you warmer and safer on the water. That's top-tier protection. Introducing the LU 300 SG, the peak firefighting beast. It lasts water up to 280 feet and pumps out 1,453 gallons per minute with a 300 horsepower engine, adjustable boom, and 270-degree rotating cannon. It's built to handle the toughest fires with precision and power. The deployable emergency shelter could save your life. Inspired by origami, it unfolds like magic. And it's waterproof and insulated to keep you warm and dry. Under 16 inches of snow. Imagine a dog that can conquer ruins, steep slopes, and toxic environments. Meet the Jillian X2O. This high-tech champion can carry up to 190 pounds, navigate tough terrains, and provide real-time updates, turning every rescue mission into a success. Ever wondered if you can drink from the world's dirtiest river and still be okay with life strong? It purifies water in just 10 seconds, handles up to 1,000 gallons, and provides clean water for over 5 years. If you drink 70 ounces a day, stay hydrated on your adventures, even when clean water isn't available. Here's a look at 0.4 ounces of robust titanium. You can wear as jewelry that can transform into a razor-sharp blade or a fire starter you never know when you'll need it, but it's always ready to help you survive. Jaw-dropping reveal ahead. The Bug-Eye, the best 360-degree floating compass. Engineered for the wildest conditions. It's super accurate, making sure you stay on course, no matter where your journey takes you. Strap on the Skysaver Rescue Backpack. Make the leap, and with the deck, handle the rest. Your ultimate safety net is here. Is that it? I know you're hungry for more. And we've got some epic stuff coming up. Meanwhile, drop a comment on which lifesaver you want at home. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and smash that bell. Your support is awesome. See you next time.